In this video, we are going to fix logged in error in Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check if the internet is stable or not. If you have ensured that it's being stable, I want you to navigate to the second solution. The second solution would be you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, directly proceed to the search bar and type for Windows Store here at the left side of the screen. Type for Windows Store and then you need to wait until you can see a result which is the Windows Store app. Okay? Click on it and you would be able to open a new window where you can troubleshoot this Windows Store apps. So all you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter by clicking on next. This will help you to fix the problem if the Windows Store apps is not working right, okay? However, if the error still persists, then we need to navigate to the third solution, and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cached. Press Windows key and R key together, type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button, and once you have opened a blank window, you need to wait until it would be finished. And once you are done with such, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's bound to the last step. The last step would be I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Please copy and paste it here at the notepad. Then navigate here at the search bar and type for PowerShell. Once you have seen the Windows PowerShell, please navigate to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Copy and paste it here at the Windows PowerShell. Control C, paste it here at the Windows PowerShell by making a right click so that you can paste it. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and you'll be able to start the procedure. Wait until it would be done and then restart the PC and then your problem will be fixed. Now, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.